Okay, let's take a look at this week's copycats in the AI field that we're interested in. In the more notable AI space, there are 3 funding rounds, I believe. Wonderful. An Israeli company. They make voice AI agents. Majestic Labs from the United States does AI infrastructure. The last one is Wisdom AI, also from the United States. I think they do things related to enterprise level AI deployment since it mentions data related and deployment related aspects here. If we first look at this wonderful, it's a Series A. They raised 100 million US dollars in their Series A round.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
That's quite a lot.
Let's see what this company does specifically. An AI agent platform that provides enterprises with multilingual, culturally fluent customer service agents supporting voice, chat, and email, among other communication methods. And as for similar companies that are operating in Japan, the report specifically mentions several notable examples, including Rina, PKSHA Technology, Exa Wizards, and in addition, Abidja. Now, regarding Rina in particular, it is important to note that this Rina is actually a product that was developed and created by a team based in China, rather than being a purely Japanese company. I am aware of this fact, and I wanted to clarify it here for accuracy and transparency.
Hmm.
I've looked into it before.
What does Rina do?
Rina specializes in voice AI. They actually started working on things even before ChatGPT came out. These kinds of large model, voice related, and I recall that its founder was probably, you know how Microsoft used to have a chatbot called Xiaowiz?
Hmm.
That Xiaowiz was originally developed by Microsoft Research Asia, and the founder of Rina now was the one in charge of the Xiaowiz project back then at Microsoft Research Asia. So he's always been working on voice-related AI. The second company, I'm not familiar with at all. As for ExaWizards, I know they started in the medical field, and maybe recently they've also gotten into providing these kinds of enterprise services. And the last one, Abeja, has indeed always been in enterprise services. They provide AI training data. That company is already publicly listed. So looking at what opportunities there are in Japan through this company, wonderful. I think what's written here is, in Japan, success and failure depend on nuance.
Right. They have to partner with locals, right, to do some.
A generic chatbot is practically an insult to Japanese people. An intelligent customer service agent that can understand the culture, respect honorifics, local etiquette, and enterprise service level agreements. Only an agent like that can truly capture the market. That's definitely
Japan is a tough market. I think they'll probably enter other markets first and only then look at Japan. Japan isn't that easy to crack. Even if they've already launched in other places, launching in Japan will definitely be slower.
Japan definitely has higher standards for language. For the language itself, the requirements are higher than in other countries.
Hmm.
They have honorifics and things like that.
Right, right, right.
You can answer them, your AI can answer their questions, but they'll feel it's awkward because the way you use the language isn't using those honorifics. It's not that authentic way of communicating, you know?